While I voted no to the proposal of Senator Bato de la Rosa as amended by Senator Cayetano for it to be remanded as opposed to dismiss the, tama ba yun? For it to be returned as opposed to being dismissed, the impeachment case. I would like to make it clear that I respect the decision of the majority and also that ang paglilitis ay hindi hatol ng pagkakasala. At gaya nga ng sinabi ni Senator Win Gatchalian, para sa akin, maganda kasi pagka naririnig mo talaga kung ano ang mga argumento ng prosecution. Imbis na iba kasi pag dokumento lang ang isusumite at babasahin. Ngayon, noon ko pa sinasabi na naniniwala ako na dapat tuloy-tuloy talaga ang paghatol nito at hindi lamang matatapos dito sa Kongreso na to. Pero nakakalito rin yung mga ibang posisyon na nagsasabi we cannot compel the next Congress to act on our motion or unleft, what do you call this, or unfinished business or work. Kaya nga, kahit na meron tayong pinagbotohan na ganyan, there is no guarantee. I don't think it's binding to say that the 20th Congress will take this up. Yun lang yung para sa akin din. At saka, ang sinasabi nga, di ba, the Constitution says that once a complaint is filed, kinakailangan forthwith nga or magkakaroon ng trial para dito. So ang iniisip ko lang, 19th Congress and what our mandate is to actually hold a trial. Ngayon, sinasabi ng ating officer or ano nga ta? Presiding officer. Sinasabi ng ating presiding officer na tuloy-tuloy pa naman ang summons nito. Magpapadala ng summons. So siguro ang tanong ko para malinawan, magpapadala tayo, unang-una, return to the House. Kung sumagot sila bukas, na may sagot na sila, tapos pinadala natin yung summons, after 10 days, may dapat sila sumagot, so napadala dito sa atin, tapos sabihin ng prosecution, ng House, we don't need 5 days to prepare. We're already ready. Kunyari, after 10 days. So after 10 days from whenever. So that's still before still before June 30. Will we proceed with this trial, Mr. Presiding Officer?
The chair reserves the right later on to also explain his vote. The lady is in the process of explaining her vote, and she may proceed.
Okay. So I guess this is explanation of vote cannot be a hybrid of a question as well. But again, I will put forth that question because that's also one of the reasons why I couldn't really agree with the decision to return it to the House, because these are all the other questions that I feel were not addressed by the resolution that was just passed. So that's all, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you for the opportunity.
The Senator Judge can make